Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I dive into best Schwab Brokerage account option for new investors, and here's how it works. If you are new to investing and you want a trusted place to start, Schwab is a great option. It's beginner friendly, low cost, and backed by a well-known financial company. The most popular choice is the Schwab One Brokerage account. It has no minimal balance, no trading commission on stock or ETFs, and it gives you access to easy tools to buy, sell, and track investment all in one place. If you want extra guidance, Schwab also offers Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, which is an automated investing option. You answer a few questions and the Schwab build and manage a diversified portfolio for you. This is great if you don't want to pick stock yourself for long-time goal like retirement. You can also open a Schwab IRA, which help you grow your tax advantage over time. So, in my opinion, I actually think the Schwab keeps things very simple and affordable and beginner safe for everyone, thinking on opening a brokerage account for an investor. So that's it. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple investing tips, and comment which Schwab account you like to start with today. And that's it.